Hi students, I hope all are fine. So we were dealing with some of the grammar parts. The first we saw in the previous class modals and some modal auxiliaries. So we shall just continue with what we had been learning. So now here we have to read this. There is a letter given to us. Okay, there is a letter given to us, and what we need to do is we need to choose the most suitable alternative from the models given in the brackets. Okay, here see, from the models given in the brackets. Okay, and underline your choice, and we need to underline the choice which we make. Okay, sometimes more than one alternative is suitable. Okay, so I will just read it for you so you can see which one to be selected. It was pleasing to get your letter and to hear the good news that you are going trekking with your friends. You ought to, or would, or should. We have to add which one is more suitable or alternative. Have a break after your exams. Okay, so here you can add you would have a break after your exam, or you should have a break after your exams, or you ought to have a break after your exam. So anything is possible. We have to pick out and choose the proper one, means to say the alternative one, most appropriate one. Then you asked me what you can or should or will take. Well, you might or can't or must not fit everything in a backpack, so you must be selective. You will or can or must take at least one sweater because it ought to or should or can get very cold in the mountains. You needn't or could or should pack a gas stove because there could or may or will be plenty of firewood from dead trees. Okay, this is a lecture. We have some more. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. What you need to do is we need to choose the correct models. Okay, first one maybe I'll do it for you. That is, it was pleasing to get your letter and to hear the good news that you are going trekking with your friends. Then you ought to or would or should have a break after your exam. Here what can we add? Okay, we can add you should have a break after your exams, or you ought to have a break after your exam. Both are okay. Alright, so likewise you need to add the correct or the proper modal auxiliaries. Okay, one or two is possible. As it is said, sometimes more than one alternative is suitable. Okay, so just read this letter and find out which is the most proper modal auxiliary. Okay, the next one is this. Sarah does not understand a concept her teacher has just taught. Complete the dialogue given below using appropriate models. Okay, Sarah, excuse me, madam. Dash, you repeat the explanation again, please. So, which model should be added? Okay, you can say, can you repeat, or would you repeat, or could you repeat? Anything is okay. Here what we can add is, could you repeat the explanation again, please? Okay, teacher, why do you want me to repeat it? You dash be very attentive when I am teaching. So here what you need to add is, you must be, or you should be, okay, or you ought to be anything. So here what you can add, you can add either these three, okay, either or these three. Then Sarah, sorry madam, I, here you can add I couldn't hear you properly. That is a proper one. Okay, I couldn't hear you properly. Then teacher, you dash have a hearing problem, Sarah. Check your ears. You dash sit in the front row from tomorrow. I dash now explain it again. Pay attention. So here teacher says you should, or here what, you dash have a hearing problem, Sarah. Check your ears. Okay, here what we can do is maybe like a, you would have a hearing problem, Sarah. You would. Okay, would. Okay, check your ears. Or here if you don't add any models also is okay. You have a hearing problem, Sarah. That is also okay. Better we shall not add any models. Okay, that is better, I think, because you have a hearing problem, Sarah. Okay, there you need to add that you have a hearing problem, Sarah. That would be enough. Check yours. Then you should sit in the front row from tomorrow, or you must sit in the front row tomorrow. And I shall now explain it again. I shall now explain it again. Pay attention, Sarah. Thank you, madam. Okay, that is the dialogue. Then next part we have is some language skills need to be taught. That is, read the situation given in column A and complete the likely response to them in column B. Okay, we have a situation here in the column A, and the B, what we need to do is we need to fill up the likely response to the situation. Okay, first one, your neighbor is playing loud music which is disturbing you. So what will you do? You need to tell that person to reduce the volume. So likely response can be, can you please reduce the volume? Okay, volume of the music. That can be the likely response. Or you can add any other thing which you prefer. Okay, but it should be a likely response to the situation. The second one, you could not visit your friend who was ill at the hospital. Okay, that is a situation. So what will you say? I am sorry, I couldn't make it. Okay, I am sorry, I couldn't make it. Or any other likely responses you can add. And third one, you have lost the book you had borrowed from your friend. So what would you say? I am extremely sorry. What will you add? You need to add models. Okay, I am extremely sorry, I lost it. That is the that can be the response. Or if we here what you need to use is you need to add a model. Okay, I am extremely sorry, I would give you back, I would give it back to you. Okay, I'm extremely sorry, I would buy another one and give it to you. That can be the likely response. Okay, you lost it completely, so you are promising to buy and give a new book. So I'm sorry, I would buy another one and give you. Okay, it can be the likely response. So if you want to add anything else, you can add it, any other response. Then you are late to school by an hour. Excuse me, madam, I am, what will you say? I am sorry, I will never be late again. Okay, that can be the likely response. Then another one can be, you can write which you prefer. Okay, it should be a likely response to it. Then you are unable to help your friend financially in his need. Okay, I am afraid I cannot help you since I do not have money. Okay, since I do not have money. Okay, now I said five likely responses for each. What you can do is you can write your own likely responses to these situations. Okay, now it is bit of listening and speaking. Okay, there are e sound and a. Okay, and this is e, long vowel e. This is a. This is a. This is known as phonetic symbol. Okay, phonetic symbol, you will learn it in your higher classes. All right, so what I'll do is I'll just read it out to you so you can check. Okay, which is which words are using this phonetic sound, and which words are using this phonetic sound. So first one, and you can group them. Okay, which come under this sound and which are coming under this sound. You can classify them into two groups. Okay, first one, wheel, breed, meant, bleak, present, east, bend, read. It can also be red. Okay, it can also be red, read, red, sweat, feed, lead, beat, check, men, seal, red, these, them. Okay, so these are the words. What you need to do is you need to classify them which are coming under long vowel e and which are coming under this short vowel a. Okay, so that is that. And here we have, check the vowel sound from a to e. Okay, we need to change the vowel sound from a to e in these words and write them the new words. So the first word is okay, example is met is a sound. What you need to do is you need to change it to long vowel. Okay, so met becomes meat. So here what you need to check, so check becomes cheek, red means read, bet, beat, like that you have to fill this. Okay, and we have a worksheet to do. Okay, worksheet is it's a very simple, it's a kind of game that you need to do. Okay, find a way from start to finish. This is start and this is finish. Okay, by drawing a line. You may pass a square only if the word in it has the sound e. Okay, e. You can move horizontally or vertically only. Okay, can move horizontally means this way, vertically means this way. Okay, so when you start, for example, first line I'll do it for you. Okay, okay, you can only start with the e sound. Okay, leave, dream, east, beach, seat. Next is head, so we cannot go down. So we have the next one is please. So please. Then we have other one on top we have break, and down we have bear. So it will not come. So straight what we have is team. So we go to team, then down we have where. So where will not come. So we have to go up. So peace, tea, like that you have to finish. So it's a simple game which you will be able to do it. I hope it is clear. Thank you and bye.